If grocery shopping always feels a little chaotic, let's fix that today. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Keep to create and manage a shopping list that's organized, shareable, and even smart enough to remind you when you're near the store. First, open Google Keep. The easiest way is through your browser. Click the grid icon at the top right, the one that shows all your Google apps, and select Keep. This is where you'll be creating your shopping list. Once you're inside, click on Take a Note or the plus icon to start a new list. Type in your grocery items, one per line, so they're easy to check off while shopping. To make things even clearer, you can group items by category, like produce, dairy, or snacks, using simple indents. One of the best features here is how flexible the list is. You can drag and drop items to rearrange them, which is perfect if you want to match the order of aisles in your local store. That way you avoid doubling back and make your shopping trip faster. Before you close the note, let's optimize it. Head to the Settings menu. You'll see it at the top right of the Keep screen. Under Settings, check the option that says Move Checked Items to Bottom. This way, as you tick off items, they'll automatically slide down, leaving the rest of your list nice and visible. Now, if you're not shopping alone, Google Keep makes teamwork super simple. Open your list, tap the collaborator icon, and add the email of your partner, roommate, or anyone else you shop with. They'll be able to add or check items in real time, so you never end up with 3 cartons of milk by mistake. And here's the final trick: reminders. Tap the reminder icon and set a location-based reminder. For example, you can tell Google Keep to ping you whenever you're near your grocery store, so you'll never forget to grab what you need. And that's it. You now have a fully organized, customizable, and shareable shopping list in Google Keep. It's simple, it's smart, and it'll save you time and stress every time you head to the store. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tips to simplify your daily life. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.